Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Big Pine Sports. Today, I was told to let y'all know that we have a deal going for the next 48 hours only. Now, today is April 28th, so this will end on April 30th, but wanted to let you know what's going on. There's a deal coming up on the Can-Am and the Yamaha side-by-sides. So, right now, I'm out by the Can-Am Defenders here. So, let's take a look here at the HD11. Pop this open. Full cab, you know, more ready to go out and work. Now, this is just my opinion, but let me tell you what I think the Can-Am Defender is more aimed towards. I would say the Defender is more towards, now remember, just my opinion, I would say that the Defender is more aimed towards the working man. The one, you know, the men and women who are out working on the farm, they're out working on the ranch, or the men and women that are out at the job site and need a machine that is rugged, utilitarian, and more recreation off to the side. Like, they can still go out and do it, but that's not their main focus. Their main focus is having a machine that they can go out and rely on, one that'll tow, one that can carry a whole bunch of stuff in the back, you know, get the crew there, you know, whatever it may be. I feel like the Can-Am Defender is aimed much more toward those folks who are putting work before recreation. I mean, if you look at the interior, you know, yeah, it's fancy, it's nice, and the inside is, I would say, more aimed towards the rugged feel where you can just, you know, reach in there with a hose everything out, you know, coming back from the fields, whatever. But that, I believe, is what is more the working man. So the HD11, a little bit more power in there, so you can, like I said, tow with it, you can haul with it, whatever you need. Now let's go over here and take a look at some of the Yamahas. So the R-Maxes, let's take a look at this one right here. Hop in here. Now, not a full cab, not fully enclosed, but climb up into here. There we go. Now, I would say, and again, just my opinion, the R-Max is aimed more towards the folks who are not just riders as a hobby, but more just like, hey, this is part of their lifestyle. We're going to go out and ride. We're going to go out and have some fun. We want a machine that's going to attack the trails, one that we can take wherever we want, and we're going to get there and get back. So I said the Yamaha is aimed more towards that crowd, to where you can just go out, you can have fun, you can take some folks with you. It's a little more comfort on the trail oriented. You know, you've got the adjustable Fox suspension right here. You've got nice surround speakers in there. You know, the interior, I think, is aimed more towards long distance comfort on the trails and stuff like that, more than it is utilitarian and rugged. So, but the deal that we have going on these right now for the next 48 hours is, if you have been leaning towards getting a side-by-side, whether it's more utilitarian, you know, like the Defenders, or if it's more get out and play in the trails like the Yamahas, until the end of the month, April 30th, when you buy a Can-Am or a Yamaha side-by-side, we are offering 5 years of free oil changes. Now, you might not think, well, that's whatever, but that adds up really quick. So as you're out playing, you're out riding around, and you're thinking, oh man, it's time to change the oil, just bring it back to us. We'll take care of it. So if you have questions or comments, please put those down below. And remember, this is 48 hours. It only goes until the end of April. That's it. If you've been on the fence, come down here, check it out, talk to us, let us know, and get yourself into one of these, and let's get you riding. I'm Matt, out here at Big Pine Sports, and we'll see you in the next one.